Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a YouTube channel from beginning and see how you get your own YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin. But before we dive deep into tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell so each time I post content like this you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how to have or how you can create a brand new YouTube channel step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to your address bar right here and type in www.youtube.com/account. Then click on create a channel. Then this is going to pop up right here. You have your name from the first section right here. Then right here you have your YouTube handle. Then you can click on here to upload a picture to your channel, or you can do it later. This is how you will be appear on YouTube. Next thing you want to do is to come down right here, click on create channel. Wow, so a channel has been successfully created. So what are the things you can do on your channel? Right here you have your home page. This is where all your video is going to be found. Upload a video to get started. So you can click on this plus button at the top right here. This allows you to upload a new video. And right here you have a playlist section, you have channels, you have about your channel. So if you click on playlist, so this is where all the playlists you have on your channel is going to be found. Right here, channels right here, this is where all the channel you follow is going to be found, or all the channel you subscribe to is going to be found right here. And about right here, this is where you write everything about your channel, about the content and the time you created the channel. So you can see this channel was created August 26, 2023. Okay, so right here you have your library on your channel. This is your library, and this is your browse history, your video, your watch later, and your like video at the like. So you can scroll down and then you see more stuff about your channel. Right here you have your YouTube studio. So under the YouTube, let's quickly go to YouTube Studio. So under the YouTube Studio, this is where you track your YouTube analytics and YouTube subscriber and the likes. So click on continue to Studio. So in Studio section, you have different tab right here on your Studio section. So from the first top right here, you have your dashboard, you have your content tab, you have your analytics tab, comment tab, subtitle tabs. Let's scroll down, and then you have copyright tabs, you have any tabs in customization, and your audio library tabs. Then you can see you have settings tabs right here. So if you want to upload your first video, you can also upload your first video from your YouTube studio right here. So this is close. And these are the things you can do in your YouTube studio right here. So all in all, this is how you can create a brand new YouTube channel step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about YouTube topic. I'm going to upload more video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.